At this point, we sure have covered a lot about what lighting is and how to get the most out of it. To squeeze that last bit of performance out of our scene, we need to adjust a few more settings in some other windows. Let's quickly go to Edit, Project Settings, Quality. By default, Unity will list a few settings for a variety of platforms. Since we're only interested in mobile, let's go ahead and delete every setting except Fastest, and then rename Fastest to Mobile. Now we want to make sure that pixel count is set to 0, texture quality is set to full, anti-aliasing is set to 2x, and shadows are disabled. Going through those changes one by one, let's start with pixel light count. Pixel light count tells Unity how many real-time lights it should consider for a given pixel. Since we don't have any real-time lights in our scene, we can set this value to 0 and be fine. I should point out that everything in this panel refers to real-time settings, so disabling shadows here only disables real-time shadows and not our baked shadows. Next, we have texture quality, which we set to full. And while yes, on mobile devices we should be careful about our quality, this setting is telling us whether we want to lower the resolution of our textures even further. Since we've already optimized the textures in our scene, we can set them to full. Last, we have anti-aliasing. Aliasing is a problem that results because we want to display continuous lines with discrete pixels. This results in jagged lines. Unity luckily provides some efficient algorithms to combat this. But nonetheless, aliasing is a huge problem in VR because we're effectively using only half the resolution, aka half the pixels of our display, since we need to render 2 images. Thus, while it's extra computation to use aliasing, it results in a much better image, which is why we use anti-aliasing. And that covers the tweaks we need to do in our quality settings. Now, time to put this in our phones.